Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're looking at the Spring Valley Farms Zesty Sweet Bread and Butter Pickles. Now, they're a company, I think it said Kentucky, they started off in the rolling hills of Kentucky and Tennessee. Now, I got these at a place called The Barn in Winslow, Indiana. I'll try to have links to the pickles, the company, and links to the barn in case you ever venture to Pike County, Indiana and want to check out the barn. If you want to learn more about these, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, these are the Spring Valley Farms Zesty Sweet Bread and Butter Pickles, old-fashioned home-style canning. I don't know if I'd actually go that far with the home-style canning or an old home-style canning, because I remember my mom used to have those bell lids. It was a lid, then you put a ring on it. It was two separate pieces. You keep the rings, but when you open up the jar, you throw away the lid. Let's see. Serving size, 2 tablespoons. Servings per container, about 15. Calories are 50. So they're actually a little high in calories. Ingredients are cucumbers, cane sugar, corn syrup, vinegar, water, sweet pepper, jalapeno, or like I like to say it, jalapeno peppers, salt, spice, calcium, chloride, natural flavors, citric acid, polysorbate, whatever, 80, and yellow number 5. Refrigerate after opening. Now, I got these at the barn. They're $5.50 a jar. Now, I know that's no bargain, but if they're good, it may be a bargain. I'd rather pay $5.50 for them, have them be really good, than $5.50 and have them be average. But let's go ahead and get the jar open. Hand it in the jar opener. There we go. Nice pop. I'm sure you guys heard that. It's a nice look. Give it a quick sniff. Now, these smell like regular pickles. I don't smell nothing zesty about it, like hot or spicy. Give you a close look of them. There we go. Now, I'm using a new camera, new mic, so please let me know what you think. Give it a little taste. They have a little bit of bite, a little bit of spiciness. Nothing overbearing. But if you don't like medium salsa, you're probably not going to like these because they're going to be too hot for you. But what I didn't like is that one didn't have no crunch. To me, I like a nice crunchy pickle. These are a little overly soft. I would say maybe cooked a little bit too long. Just my opinion. Now, these are, here, let's try the butt end real fast. Now, not much crunch. Now, I like a nice crunchy pickle. So if you don't like crunchy pickles, if you do like crunchy pickles, you might not care for these. I'm getting a little more of an afterburn. I think these would be really good with like a sriracha burger, or like you make a hamburger, stick jalapeno cheese on it, add these to it. Probably be a really great combination. For everyday eating, I don't think so. I don't think I'd want these on like a sub or something. But if you have something spicy, like a jalapeno burger or something, these are gonna be what you want. The crunchiness, opt for a more crunchy pickle. So, with all that said, to wrap it up, I'm going to take off half a point for being mushy. Okay, so they're not really mushy, but they're getting pretty close. Price-wise, for what you get, $5.50. I think you're a little high. I think it should be more like maybe $4.50. So let's take off half a point for that. So we're down to about 4 out of 5 stars. I definitely go out and try it for $5.50. Yeah, the price is a little high. But you mix it with the right food, I think you're going to have a winning combination. Okay, 4 out of 5 stars. I'll try to have links below to the company, the Pickles, and the barn in Winslow, Indiana. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.